Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Technika brand dishwasher and it's giving you an E2 error and it's not working because it's giving you this E2 error. But also what you might also notice if you're getting E2 error is you open it up and there's water inside it. And that is because the E2 error is a drain error. So basically when it's time to drain, it starts to drain and it gives itself a certain amount of time to get drained. And if that time has run out and it hasn't drained yet, boom, it's going to give you this error. So you want to check both inside and outside for what could be preventing the dishwasher from draining. So on the inside, it could be some kind of clog down at the bottom here. This screen, you can unscrew this and access all the way down to the drain pump. You might open that up and there's a bunch of food and kind of gross gunk in there. If you get that out, you'll be able to get the water flowing out from there. And then the other thing is just to check the drain hose behind the dishwasher. We can make sure that it's not kinked or pinched or bent in any way, especially if you just installed it. Like you might have pushed it up against the wall too hard and pinched that hose somehow, and so water can't drain out. One other less likely but possible thing is that you're using some kind of extension on the drain hose. And what can happen is, especially if you're using an extension so that it pumps the water high, because the drain is down, the pump is down at the bottom and it pumps the water up and out. And it can pump the water to a certain height, but if it's trying to pump it too high, the drain pump is just not strong enough to do that, and it won't drain properly. So if you're using any kind of extender on the drain hose, get rid of that and see if it doesn't get rid of the error also. So anyways, hope this video helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.